everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Idile. So obviously by the title of this video you guys can tell that I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. Since I've gone plant-based, I've had to get a lot more creative with the things that I've been eating, and it's been forcing me to like cook a lot more and try a lot of new recipes. So I just thought I would take you through a day in my life eating. So I just woke up, well I woke up a bit ago, but I'm going to have my coffee now, and I usually have Nespresso coffee, or when I'm not having Nespresso, I just buy like cold brew. So I got this really good cold brew from Whole Foods. So I'm gonna have that, and we're gonna make that right now. This is the coffee that I drink, you guys. I think it is so good. It's just black cold brew. It's a medium roast. Yeah, this cold brew is actually really good. It's really hard to get these silicone straws to go in with the ice. I'm gonna make my oatmeal now. We just buy this like oatmeal from Costco. And I'm gonna grab a bowl, cute little cup measurer to measure this. Okay, I'm just gonna take about half a cup of oatmeal. I don't really measure out the milk. I just do it until it like covers all the oats. And that's when I know that it's ready to go in the microwave. Guys, I don't have the energy to boil my oatmeal. Do you boil your oatmeal, Monica?
Yeah.
Do you cook it on the stove?
That's the right way to do it.
I do it in the microwave and it tastes just as good. I put it in there for about a minute and 30 seconds. And yeah, so we'll just put it in the microwave. Here she is, you guys, in all of her glory, the nasty oatmeal. Oatmeal doesn't look good, but it tastes good. Somebody's like, can we just make it a point to only put out our garbage the morning of? The weather's been really bad lately. I'm like, only white people would do this.
White people are just...
They're just too nosy, like mind your business. I also have my water, you guys. I try drinking 3 of these every day. Keyword try. I don't always succeed, but it has a little dinosaur sticker courtesy of my nephew. So I'm gonna eat this and I will update you a little bit later when I figure out what to have for lunch, because I still have no idea what I'm gonna be eating for lunch. Hey you guys, so it's been a bit of time. I'm gonna make my lunch now. I'm making this pasta. It's this chickpea and red lentil pasta. I just get this from Whole Foods, and I'm making like a creamy garlic sauce that's vegan. So I have all of my ingredients here. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use everything. I'm definitely using the tomato paste. And then I'm gonna be cutting these cherry tomatoes in halves and baking them. I'm gonna drizzle a bit of olive oil on top, and I'm gonna get started on the rest of the sauce. And I'm also gonna start boiling some water for this pasta. I'm gonna get a pot and put some water in it and start boiling my water. The garlic, I cut up 6 garlic cloves, and I just added a bit of salt and pepper with some olive oil to the pot, and I'm just letting this cook down. My tomatoes are in the oven roasting, and my pasta is here. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be making my dinner now. I bought these little pre-made salad mixes from Costco, and I'm gonna be making that. And then I'm also gonna cook these little black bean burgers. These are really, really good. They're honestly so good. I have one at least every day, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I'm gonna make the last one, and then I'm gonna eat it with this salad. And for dessert, I'm making these cookies. They're vegan. They're so good. These cookies I feel like taste better than Pillsbury. So let's start getting our stuff together because I'm really hungry. Okay, you guys, I'm baking the cookies. I think I'm gonna have it with some ice cream, honest to God. I think I'm gonna have it with some ice cream. Let me get the ice cream and show you guys the ice cream I'm gonna eat. This is the ice cream, it's oatmeal, and it's just vanilla flavored. So good. Obviously it doesn't taste the exact same as ice cream. Like Ben & Jerry's just hits different, I will say, but this is a good alternative, and this has been really suppressing my sweet craving. I always get a sweet craving closer to like the end of the day. Honestly, best part of my day, Sweet Lauren's. I don't know who Lauren is, but I want to thank her for making these cookies. This used to go in the microwave. It's beginning to look a lot like the happiest day. I mean, just look at that cookie, you guys. It's so good. But I haven't filmed an outro yet, so I think I'm gonna end off the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Like this video. Well, it's the same thing, right? That's literally the same thing. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment what your favorite recipe was, or if you have any plant-based recipes to share with me. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scout.